Have you seen Micron Technology's chart lately? This memory and storage solutions manufacturing beast has rallied approximately 250% year to date. Could it continue its rally or a huge correction is incoming? Let's find out. I'm Shubham, and today at Neural Network, we are diving deep into the technicals with moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. By the end, you'll know exactly what the charts are screaming. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Micron Technology designs, develops, and sells memory and storage solutions like DRAM, and NAND flash and SSDs, and is up more than 25% post-earnings. It closed at $294 on December 29th, up from a recent low of $200, showing its strength. But numbers alone don't tell the story. Let's unpack the indicators one by one. Starting with the simple moving averages, the 50-day moving average is sitting at about $235, while the 200-day moving average is at $145. Right now, the price is above both the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average, signaling positive momentum with bullish trend. With a golden cross in late June, where the short-term average crosses above the long-term average for bull runs, the stock ran from $120 to the current highs of $290, showing the massive interest of the public. If Micron crosses below the 50-day moving average, watch for a momentum shift. That's your signal for a potential correction. Next up is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which measures the speed and magnitude of a stock's recent price changes to detect overbought and oversold conditions. It is just below 70, which is the overbought level, but still has room to go higher. If the positive sentiment continues, which is likely given that it broke its all-time high after earnings, this will continue going higher. Keep an eye out. If RSI crosses above 70, it could be either profit-taking time or short-selling opportunity. RSI could give you great signals if combined with other indicators. For example, if you waited for RSI to get close to oversold levels after the moving averages made a golden cross in June, you could have perfected your entries for a massive upside. Now let's talk about MACD. The moving average convergence divergence tracks momentum, and currently the MACD line is at 14.8. above the signal line at 10.4, indicating an uptrend with strong momentum. As both the lines are above the zero line, this will probably keep going up in the short term. If you are already in the trade, then this is your signal to keep holding for more gains. Before we move on to Bollinger Bands, please like and subscribe if this video is adding value. Now, Bollinger Bands, which is basically a statistical tool measuring standard deviation from a certain moving price average, typically a 20-day moving average. If the stock price gets close to either the high or the lower band, expect a reversal, as we have seen in November. Currently, the price is at upper band, which signals overbuying. Likewise, if the price gets close to the lower band, it could be oversold. The bands expand in high volatility like what we are seeing now, and it's harder and less reliable to use Bollinger Bands because wider bands create more noise, making it harder to tell if a price touching a band means a reversal or just an extreme movement. That's why it's wise to combine a couple of indicators together when you're making a decision. In general, the stock is around its all-time highs, trading with high volume on positive sentiment because of their killer earnings report. All of the indicators signal overbuying, but there is still room for it to go higher. If you're already in the trade, then holding for more gains seems the right thing to do. And if you're thinking of jumping in after seeing their massive growth from earnings report, then I suggest waiting, as this is where big players take profits. If this reverses, you'll end up with a bag which you'll have to hold for a long time. What do you think? Are you buying, selling, or holding Micron? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Please like if this helped, and subscribe for more tech analysis that beats the market. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and invest wisely.